Hey, 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 it's What's Cooking.
What's cooking, good looking?
Haha, it's been a while. So we are having a keto skillet lasagna. What did you ask me earlier today about that?
What kind of noodles are you using?
I said we're not using noodles, we're having a skillet lasagna. And then you asked me,
Well, then what kind of vegetable are you using instead of noodles?
we're not using anything instead of noodles. There will be no noodles. So anyway, hey Heaven, how are you? Also, I want to say hello to my great niece Jaden. My niece Cindy in Buffalo asked me a few different times, like when I was going to do my cooking thing, because my great niece likes to watch. So I am doing this specifically for.
Actually, it's your great niece.
No, because Brittany's my great niece.
Cindy's your niece.
Niece, Brittany great, Jaden great.
But then she's kind of great anyway. She's your great
She's the
niece.
greatest of all nieces. That's what she is, right?
She's the greatest of the greats.
Okay, so I've got onions and garlic sauteing over here. And Jay is going to be live on a really good musical Monday tonight that I don't want to miss. So, okay. And we have some ground beef that we're going to add to this. I don't know why I use this thing because I clean it.
Is that ground beef?
That's ground beef.
I thought it was ground pork.
Nope, this is the pork. So I'm taking these little dudes out of there.
Is that what I just bought today?
You bought, you bought the sausage, and you also got me ground pork for something else I'm gonna make.
Oh, okay. It looks just the same. That's interesting.
I'm hoping to make either a keto beef stroganoff or Swedish meatballs. If Perrin Viveka were around, maybe they could give me some tips on how to make Swedish meatballs. I don't know what's going on over on Instagram, but maybe it's on. I hope it's on. I think it's on. Okay, so we got the beef in there. Hey Philip, can you just lift that thing for me, that that screen thing over here?
Yes, I can.
Please. Thank you, sir. Say hi.
No, I'm not supposed to be in the picture. I'm pretending I'm not.
Philip Fredrickson. So I just got off the phone with Chef James, and he was telling me all about the holidays at Huntress and Lumi, which is located at 5th and Island in the Gas Lamp. So basically, they are open on New Year's Eve, but they close at 11, and they're going to send you home with like a whole New Year's Eve package. So
You're live on Instagram.
Oh, cool. Special menu, special everything, maybe even special cocktails. So that should be really fun. And gotta break all this up here. Saute. Oh, and congratulations, first-time home buyers. We just recorded a few minutes ago for Michelle and Oliver. Thank you, Ralph and Stephanie, for referring them. They are so excited. We just sent them a congratulatory video. They don't get to get their house until Friday, but owner remains in possession for a couple days. And Friday night at 6 o'clock, we will meet them there with champagne and a Cutco engraved client closing gift knife that the Cutco guru Eric has gotten for us. So it should be fun. What else is happening? Huh? Oh, I need to.
Nothing.
Ricotta cheese. Okay, so we have ricotta cheese.
I don't know your recipe, so I can't help you.
I don't know my recipe, dude. Okay, so we're gonna put ricotta, some Parmesan. Oh, did you ever get the eggs today out of the coop?
No, I did not.
Still need to get those. All right, let's put some crushed red pepper in there. A lot. And some parsley. So I've never made this. It's going to be all put together in a cast iron skillet, and it's going to get some on top of the meat and sauce. I'm going to add, here's an egg. This one is definitely apple.
They did not have one of those
Ooh, it's
big
a
parsley
bright-
things at Costco.
It's a bright yellow. Her yolk is very yellowy. Okay. I have a whisk, but this little spatula thing will do the trick. I'm not gonna put salt in that because between the pork and the Parmesan, it's gonna have enough salt. And then I'm gonna do a little dicing of some chopped basil. Thing I like about this knife is it's multifaceted. Chef Deb, I need to make my chiffonelle, my little cigar of basil. Still getting basil from the garden too. So
It's never ending.
I know.
In a mint, too.
I know.
The
Got
mint's
a lot of
never
mint.
ending.
I'm gonna put some of this in the ricotta, but then I'm gonna have fresh mint to put on top as well.
You mean basil?
Or basil, yeah. Actually, mint wouldn't be that horrible either. Okay. So we had that going. Okay, check this out.
Mark Kimmel says hello.
This is gorgeous. Charcuterie board, handcrafted by Michael Borelli, Borelli Designs. And did he say this is from a redwood tree?
Redwood tree.
It's just beautiful. Can you guys see it? He gave this to me as a gift. I'm so excited. I love it.
But it came from somewhere special. Where did that come from?
The
Remember?
redwood forest.
No, but it came out of another house he was working on from some famous person.
Oh my gosh. Dustin, are you on? If you're on, Dustin, you've got to tell us. Hey, Lily, how are you? Lily and I went to kindergarten together, and Lily is a chef in Ohio. Hey, Eric, how are you? Hi, Mark, how you doing? Jay has a big show today at 5 o'clock. He's doing like Gloria's son or nephew or brother or something for Musical Monday. So people should tune in to Emmy Award-winning Jay Rodriguez. Oh, and I'm wearing, every single thing I have on is from Chateau Bellage. I love these little colorful beads. You can like jump rope with them and stuff. I love them. And these dresses are like nightgowns, you know? They're super cozy.
Too much material for a nightgown.
Like a nice little house dress, although it's a dress.
Oh, Heaven says Jay is doing Gloria's daughter, Tara Lou's.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That's why he texted me today and said it's in drag. He's in drag. Okay, so I'm putting the famous strictly pepper. If you don't have it, you need to get it. Best pepper ever. I'm gonna put some red wine in here. So how often do I use pre-made marinara? Like never, right?
I'm surprised you are right now.
I know.
Oh, I've got, if you want some good pre-made stuff, I've got the Prego out in the
Yuck.
picture. That's good stuff.
No. All right, so once this meat gets rolling here, we're gonna add some marinara sauce. Then we're gonna layer it with the ricotta on top, and then we're gonna put some more Parmesan, and then we're gonna put an entire thing of shredded mozzarella, and we're gonna bake it in the oven. So I think it's gonna be gooey,
good.
cheesy, and yummy,
Good.
don't you?
Yeah.
So I think it'll be yummo.
The only thing lacking will be the Prego.
What else is happening? Oh, it's getting dark out at
Yeah.
whopping 4:23 p.m.
It is.
Hey, Lily. I'm trying to read what you're writing. I can't quite see.
I can tell you, looking very stunning. I see you know your way around the kitchen. Oh.
I love to cook. I don't know my way around the kitchen as well as you do. Lily, maybe you could type in what you do and where you cook and stuff. That would be super cool to share that information.
Eric says he has a Mrs. Roper house dress, which was super comfy as well. You'd love it.
I would love it. Like a muumuu. I love it. Right? This I like because my sleeves are not long. And my light is still out. I'm super irritated about that. It's not like you can replace the light bulb. An electrician actually has to come and like reinstall like a whole new fixture.
She's not irritated. She doesn't get irritated.
Yes. It does make me angst. Harley's like, oh, goodness gracious, there could be a delivery, and if there is, it's going to get loud in here.
Did you see Eric's Halloween pictures?
I did not. I have to look.
Harley, shh.
Eric, I will go to your wall and check out your Halloween pictures. Weirdly, I haven't been on social media as much as I normally am, so I need to look. We've been working and just closed first-time home buyers today. So one of the things that, just kind of educating them, we funded their loan. The lender funded their loan at about 12:30 this afternoon, but they're still not homeowners until the grant deed is recorded at the county assessor's office, and the title department is in charge of doing that. So we officially just recorded at about 5 minutes after 4, and they are official owners, but they are allowing the seller to remain in possession with a form and a document legally until Friday at 6 p.m. And then we're going to go give them their keys, and it's going to be so exciting. And this is our vet. She, Michelle, was out on a ship for 9 months at sea.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so super cool, very excited. They got to exercise their VA loan, yay. And of course, it cost a home buyer nothing to have a realtor like us help them through the process, because we do not get paid by them.
We love first-time home buyers. It's so exciting.
Yeah. Okay. Anything else going on in the chat?
Stock market was up today.
Nice.
That was good. Up a good 1.6%.
There's an election tomorrow.
True.
Everybody vote, vote, vote. Exercise your right to vote.
I did like somebody's post. Let me see if I can find it. It's might be hard because I'm on Facebook Live. But anyway, it was something to the effect of, what happens if my candidate loses tomorrow? I'll go to work, I'll be with my family, I'll love my life, and something else.
Well,
and that's, regardless of who you like and who you vote for, we still will live our lives. We'll still manage to be happy. And
it's a huge, using Jared's sauce. Never ever do this. I never do. I don't know
well,
why.
It's not that brand.
I don't know why I'm just not making it. But anyway, no matter, it's. I can't open this. Philip, can you open this? It hurts my hand. Most likely, we will not know the results tomorrow night. That's pretty much what. Ooh, Philip is having a hard time. Wow. That hurt.
Don't admit that on camera.
Don't do it with my good knives.
These are not your good knives.
There are several.
There we go. Did you hear that? That's how you know it opened.
Huh.
It goes.
Ooh. Sound effects and everything.
Oliver says, great video, guys. We love it.
Oh, that's cute.
Thank you for guiding us through this journey. We can't wait to move in.
Nice. Huh. Very, very cool.
Yeah. Great couple.
All right. Good thing. Drain some of the. I should have done that before.
Won't it cook down?
Yeah, it might.
Yeah.
That's true.
Let it simmer.
Gonna let it simmer. All right, guys. I'm gonna finish it later because it does need to cook for a little bit. I should have probably got that started earlier, but it's been kind of hectic. So hopefully everybody has voted. Everybody's wearing their mask. San Diego numbers are still really good. Sounds like lots of places are going to be open for Christmas Eve, Christmas, Thanksgiving, for dinners and stuff. If you need a place to go or are wanting to be out and about, definitely there's places you can check out and go to. And I'm sure there's fresh lobster still coming in down at the docks.
I would think.
And tons of fresh seafood.
I think it's lobster season until the middle of the month or so.
I think so.
Yeah.
Support small businesses. Heaven makes beautiful, beautiful necklaces. Single mom, you could totally support Heaven. My niece is involved in this amazing cleaning, and I actually am a recipient and doing some stuff with it too. Norwex cleaning stuff, all super, super safe and healthy. So all my products arrived today, and I'm really excited. And
just in case Cindy watches this later, because she sure hasn't been on here live after begging you to do a cooking show tonight.
She even
Hi, Cindy.
She even asked me what time I was going to do it. and I rushed to get on for her.
Gosh, dang it.
Heaven, type in your info in the chat so people who are seeking to buy beautiful custom-made crystal jewelry for somebody they love and want to support a mom that is a single working mother with 2 children, you can buy beautiful, beautiful custom jewelry from Heaven. And with a name like Heaven, who wouldn't want to
It's like a little piece of heaven on earth.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. I have my beautiful heart that Heaven made me. And as I said, I'm super stoked about my new charcuterie board. And if Philip gets, this is like something I could totally whack him with if I had to. Or a
I think
burger.
that was Penny's idea.
I know, I think Penny did say
But she didn't mean over the head.
It's gorgeous.
She meant over the rear end.
I know, it's really nice. All right, everybody, stay healthy, stay safe, stay physically distanced while staying socially connected. Happy birthday to Ann Price. Happy birthday to Lisa Norton. Happy birthday to John Karam. Happy birthday to Michael Hobbs. Michael was the Vice President of Marketing and Sales at Laura Ashley when I was the North American Training Director at Laura Ashley, and I noticed today was his birthday, and he lives over in Italy and runs this amazing villa, which I'm sure could be having a little bit of difficulty right now considering the COVID numbers.
Gwen just popped on. Say hello.
Hey Gwen.
Hi, Gwen.
Hi Gwenny Poo. Hope you are well. How's your mama? I think she's doing pretty well through her surgery. Are you with her? And it looks like the golf tournament was amazing. However, I did not see you post any photos from the golf tournament, so we definitely need to know about that. Coldwell Banker West has a foundation, and we donated $3,500 to the homeless veterans that were having a golf tournament to raise money. And our donation from our Coldwell Banker West Foundation was doubled. So $7,000, which was super, super cool.
Surgery went well.
Hey, Gwenny, can you also type the Colonel Farmer's charity for the veterans, please, in the chat so that people know where the $7,000 that Coldwell Banker West Foundation donated? So basically, every time we have a transaction and a closing, we donate money to our foundation, and then I sit on the board of our foundation, which I love doing, so that we can know where all the dollars are spent. We fed 100
goes to the
100 families
yeah.
In the height of COVID by us donating $25,000 to the San Diego Food Bank. Huge, 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 huge. Okay, so that's just gonna bubble away and do its little groove thing. And in the meantime, I'm gonna say goodbye.
What you got that there in the cocktail glass?
Oh, this is actually a dirty gin martini.
Gin martini.
A gin martini.
Oh, interesting. You know, I've never had a gin martini.
Do you want to take a sip?
I'll take a sip.
It's kind of, you know.
It's okay, because I like gin, but I probably prefer a vodka dirty martini. And I don't even care for vodka, so that tells you something.
This is made with boodles.
Oodles of boodles.
Oodles of boodles. So Gwenny, there you go. She's Veterans Association of North County. So excellent. Give your mom lots of love. Are you with her right now? I'm assuming that you are up there and staying with her until she's up and at it and out and about. And then my phone was being used for, so you always get such beautiful photography of everything you do at the events. I wondered why I didn't see anything.
Come visit, Gwen.
Yeah, we miss you. We miss everybody, gosh darn it. It's been wild. I can't wait for tomorrow to be over with, and
She's in Yuma.
okay. Well,
yeah. I thought it was in Arizona. You were saying up there, and I thought, up there? I thought it was Arizona, but I must be wrong.
over there.
Yeah.
Over there. All right. See you guys. Take care.
Have a great week.